my presentation on sushi for my communications class. And it'll take about 5 minutes. You know what it is. Okay. Are you one of those people that cringes when they hear the word sushi, thinking that it's nothing but raw fish? That is one of the most common misconceptions about sushi, and part of what is given it is bad reputation. Sushi actually refers to the vinegary rice that sushi is made with. Everything else is put into a roll. In most restaurants, you will find it with cooked fish, raw fish, and even vegetarian. I used to be one of those people who never thought they'd eat sushi because it was nothing but raw fish. And I ended up going to a restaurant with my parents where they ordered some, and they eventually convinced me to try some. And it's actually one of my favorite foods. I can't eat anything raw, so I don't eat any of the raw. So today I'll be taking you through the basic steps to making homemade sushi, and there's 3 steps: picking the roll that works best for you, gathering your materials, and assembling the roll itself. And through all of my research, going to different restaurants and looking through cookbooks, I have found that sushi is very simple to make, and that's part of what makes it so good. So the first thing we'll talk about today is the different kinds of rolls. And according to MsCarl.com, these are the 4 basic rolls of sushi. Nigerian sushi are balls of rice that you form into a little strip, and it has a slice of raw seafood on top. That is the only roll that is served completely raw. All of the other rolls can be made either raw or cooked. The maki roll is next, and it's my favorite. And it is rice and all of your ingredients wrapped in a sheet of seaweed or nori. Oshi is more or less made with the same ingredients as maki, but it's shaped like a box. And it's crunched into a box shape. And shirashi it's like a sampler platter. It's got rice on the bottom, and then all of your different ingredients go on top. And the last 3 can be made with just gutted. And the next thing we'll talk about is the different ingredients that you use. And according to SushiFacts.com, these are the different ingredients. And what I've brought is, this is a basic sushi kit that you can buy at any store that has any kind of kitchen utensils or anything like that. And most of them will include a sushi bowl for making the rice, which I didn't bring today, a sharp knife for cutting all of your seafood, a bamboo mat to make your maki roll, and this is the box that you use to shape the oshi. And then you put all your ingredients in, and you take the top and you press it down. And then you have your sushi rice and any of the ingredients that you choose, soy sauce and wasabi for serving. And the last step is assembling the roll. And today I'll show you how to make a maki roll. And these are pictures of the different steps to making it, and I'll go through them. Your first step is to lay your bamboo mat down and put a piece of nori on top of it with the shiny side down. And that's a very important step because that's what allows it to stick to itself when you're making your roll. After your seaweed is laid down, spread the rice on it, leaving a thin strip of the nori exposed. You place all of your ingredients on top of it, and when you're ready to roll it, you take the end of the bamboo mat that's closest to you, you pull it up and roll it over until the exposed strip of the nori sticks to itself. Pull back the bamboo mat, and you roll the rest of your sushi by hand, making sure that you press in the sides so that all the rice and the ingredients stay inside. And it ends up looking like that picture over there. And according to What'sCookingAmerica.com, the common way to serve Nigerian sushi is in either 2 or 4, and with wasabi and soy sauce. For maki and oshi, it's normally cut in 6 to 8 pieces with sides of soy, wasabi, and pickled ginger. And the shirashi is served in a bowl with rice on the bottom and all the different ingredients laid out on top. In review, I have shown you the basic steps to making homemade sushi. If done correctly and made with the freshest ingredients, you can enjoy a piece of Japanese culture from the comfort of your own home. And as a tidbit, mainly because this was asked, my favorite place in Charlotte to get sushi is Sushi 101